8 minus 8 equals 0. 8 minus 8 also equals 0. 0 multiplied by 0 gives us 0. Is that the final answer? No, that's wrong. Why? Because whenever we have a chain of operation, a mathematical expression, we need to follow the correct order. So the correct order is, at first, we need to do parentheses at first. So parentheses have the highest priority. If there is parentheses, do it first. Then we need to do the exponents or roots. Whenever you see some exponents, after the parentheses, you should do exponents. Then we need to do multiplication or division, whichever comes first. They have the same priority. After this, we need to do addition or subtraction, whichever comes first. We do it from left to right, so they have the same priority. You need to remember this. This is called PEMDAS. So according to PEMDAS, we need to do the multiplication here first, because multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction in our example. So we need to do 8 times 8 at first. So 8 times 8 is 64, right? We need to rewrite it as this. 8 minus 8 times 8 is 64, then minus 8. Now we are just left with subtractions, and they have the same priority. We can go from left to right. So 8 minus 64 is minus 56 minus 8 equals, so we have this just subtraction here that gives us finally again minus 64, and that's the final answer.